What? I can't gossip anymore? Mother.
Feels like a strange rule if you ask me.
I know. I should be able to talk about whatever I want.
But you have to obey.
I know.
God says jump, you ask how high. He demands, you perform. Like a monkey. If God says no more gossip, no more gossip. Hey, at least he gives you everything you want. Right? He gives you the money that you want?
No. I mean, I'm not making the money I would want to be making.
Oh, okay. At least he gives you the relationship that you've always wanted, right?
No, I'm still single.
Oh, shoot, I forgot. He hasn't given you that either. Well, I'm sure there's some good reason to obey.
Yeah.
Before I go, Jennifer texted you.
Tell me everything.